Tonight's class is all about symmetry. Oh, hello? What? Tell me everything!
Sweet! I know what we should do. Wait! You see that? Look! That X! And a hammer!
Come on! What do you think it means?
Huh?
Nothing.
I guess. Or we can just use this.
Uh-huh.
I'm getting to the bottom of this.
Woohoo! I'm in!
Well?
No way! A secret room?
And it's all ours!
A beanbag chair? Pretty cool. Wait. I've got snacks! Wait, Molly?
This cat talks?
Hey! That's mine!
Says who?
Says me! Gimme!
Hey!
It's mine! Jeez!
Who made her boss?
This feels more like it.
Ugh, this floor is so hard!
All done!
Ugh! Hey!
Huh? Oh, sorry. Whatever. I hate litter. But I love a good recycling moment. Just wait till you see this makeover. Tape to the rescue. There. Perfect. I made a bunch of them. Looking good. Good thing my roomie's always thirsty. Hello, bottle bed. And to soften things up, a cozy blanket. And pillows. Wow! It's perfect! Oh yeah, this is amazing!
What do you think?
Look! Where'd you get a bed?
I made it, duh!
Now it feels like home. What about all that stuff? It's organizing time. It definitely has potential. Minus the creepy spider webs.
What's all this? Ooh, a little mouse? What if it were real?
We can pretend it is.
Hey!
What?
Look!
What?
I found something! And it's dead!
Ah! Mouse! Wait, that's not real.
Gotcha!
So easy. Oh, a comic book. Looks like garbage to me. Wait!
What?
We can use this. Get it? Oh, okay. Oh yeah. Time to get crafty up in here. Starting with a good base. Looking good. Ta-da! Page number 1. Just follow the shape of the shelf. Give it a coat and keep going. You can use as many pages as you want. Can't forget the sides. It's so easy. See? Wow. Looks great. This junk has gotta go. Bye. You like it? It's so cool! But wait, there's more. Ready?
Yes!
Come on! Rawr! Huh? Oh, yeah, our stuff! My books fit in perfectly. Yep, there's room for tons of stuff. Look how amazing this looks! It's come a long way, right? Yeah! There's even room for him. See? It fits. Yeah! Wait, what? I sure did. Too easy. It's all good. I'm digging our spot. It's a little me. And a little me too. And this is both of us. Yeah, it is. We're awesome. So is this room. Check it out. I didn't know she could grow a mustache. Uh-oh. Didn't see you there, Teach. Detention! Right now! I hate detention. No phones. No snacks. No heels. Ugh. No fun. Just studying here. Now pay attention, girls. Shall we? Careful. Be really quiet, okay? Hurry! Shh. She's over there. Huh? Whoa! Where are we? I don't know. Wow! I didn't know this room was here. Ditto. It's ours now. Green socks? Okay, fine I guess. Ooh, very nice. But wait. Nah, they don't match. Nope. How about purple? Nah, still bad. But red? Why isn't anything working? Come on. Who am I kidding? It's hopeless. What's that smell? Socks? What on earth? Do you mind? Weird. Seriously? Hey! Oh, sorry. Yeah. Ever think of wearing these? Huh? Wait! Ooh, pretty! Thanks! Now I don't have to choose a color. Happy to help. But look at all these socks. I can use them for something. Can you guess what it is? Just watch and learn. Notice the pattern? This is pretty fun. Just keep twisting. Keep going. There! I made it to the end. Phew. Hey! Look! What? Cool. A new rug? Where'd you get that? Not my socks. Nah, just found it. Thanks for the new socks. It's coming together in here. Oh yeah. Hey, window? No. A light. Fresh air though. No, light. What? Light? Ugh. So stubborn. Yeah, whatever. Lights? That's what I thought. Ugh! Fine. No light? Hey! Who unplugged this? Hold on. I got it. Ah, there. Huh? Having trouble? Kind of. Is it this? Still nothing. What? Hey, there's no bulb in here. Nope, it's over here. Silly. Aw, man. Now what? A balloon? Could I use this instead? Maybe it'll work. Come on. First, I need to set the scene. And I need a lot of glue. And toilet paper, of course. There. Now I can live here. On the balloon. I'm gonna cover the whole thing. Looks like a good coat, right? I think that'll do just fine. See? Next up, cardboard. But I need the right shape. Just big enough for this guy. Thanks for the help, balloon. I just needed the air, and now I have my own shape. But I'm not gonna leave it all white. Almost done. There, all dry. Where did I put that cardboard? Ta-da! Wow, my own little planet. Let there be light. Wow, so pretty. Go me! No way! Did you make that? It's so cosmic over here. Can I sit? Sure. Let's read it together.
Alright, my darlings. Have a good day!
Bye, Mom! Alright, what should we do now?
Let's go sit in our secret fort room!
Yes! I love this place! Wow, it's like being under a starry sky inside the house! Secret rooms are the best ever! Wow, I've had a long day. Can't wait to get some sleep. Huh? What was that? Is that a light on in my wardrobe? I guess not. Must have been imagining things. Huh? There's the light again! I knew it! I've gotta hide! What if it's monsters? Well, it doesn't seem like anything's coming out. And I've never seen a monster in there before. Maybe it's not monsters. Maybe it's something else. Okay, I have to be brave. That's all. I can still back out. No, I have to do this. Here I go. Huh. I don't see anything. It's just my clothes in here like always. There's definitely no light, though. Not that I can find. You know what? I know I saw something. I better really examine it. Wait, what the heck? Was that pizza in her hand? No way! It was pizza! And soda! It's like a whole retreat in there! Yeah, well… Look! Come in here and have some pizza, too! Oh, okay. I don't mind if I do. Wow! The secret room is great! I love all the decorations! This pizza is really hitting the spot, too! So good! So now you know about my secret room. Cheers! It's great! Oh, she's totally my favorite right now. I love her hair. Huh? Wait, what's that? Did you see that over there? No, I don't see anything. Anyway, like I was saying, her hair is… No, seriously! Look right over there! Don't you see it? I think there's someone outside the door! Oh my gosh! Who the heck is that? I'm so scared! Oh no! I think they're trying to come in here! Let's get out of here! We have to hide right now! Yeah, but where? Maybe behind the plant? The plant? That's not good enough! Hey! We have to hide in the vents! He'll never find us up there! The vents? Oh, I see! You're right! Let's get up there! You don't think he can hear us crawling around up here, do you? Hey, move over! I'm trying to fit around this corner here! It's no use. We'll have to go together, like this! Ugh, you're in my way! Stop! Let me go first! Stop grabbing me! You're being so annoying! Stop, stop! Look, here's the kitchen! We can check on things from up here. Look, there's the intruder! All I can see is their shadow. Shoot, we still don't know who they are. Whew, it's so chilly out there today. Good thing I wore my sweater. I think I heard talking. I need to listen. Achoo! Are you kidding me right now? Huh? Was that a sneeze I just heard? It's Mom! She spotted us! Pow! Pow! Ha! Take that! I'm totally destroying this level! Hey, I need your help. Peel these veggies for me, please. What? But I hate peeling veggies! That's the worst! And look how big they are! Mom, do I have to? I was playing my game, too! Yes, you do. Now get to work, please. Ugh, I can't believe she's making me do this. I really hate the onions. Now don't take too long with those veggies, Jennifer, okay? I'll be working over here if you need me. Phew. There. Mom, I'm done with all the veggies! Now I can finally go back to playing my game. Hold up there, honey. Look, I made you some lunch. So why don't you take a break and eat this first, okay? You did such a good job with these veggies. Thank you so much. Now she's making me eat food, too? The worst. At least it's a sandwich. I do like Sammy's. Last bite. There. What's she up to over there? Oh yes, I've been waiting for your call. Honey, I'll be right over here. Yes! Now's my chance to get back to my game! Just gotta chug this juice and then I'm back at it! Hey, wait a second! There's that cupboard under there! I've got a really great idea! There! Now I've got a comfy little secret room and she'll have no idea where to find me. Thank you. Bye. Okay, back to the dishes. What's that sound I'm hearing? Is it coming from the sink? The plumbing, maybe? No. Oh no! I'm making too much noise! I've gotta be quiet! Huh. It stopped. Guess it was nothing to worry about. Well, back to the dishes, I suppose. They're not gonna wash themselves. And no one else around here is gonna do them either. I swear. Yes! She totally doesn't know I'm under here! Back to my game! It was my favorite episode for sure! Their outfits were so cute! Luna? Hello? Earth to Luna, what are you looking at? Oh, I get it now. He does have pretty nice hair. Uh-oh, here he comes. And Luna is totally smitten. You like him. You've got a big ol' crush on him. What? Shh! Keep it down or other people will hear you! Oh my gosh, you're such a scaredy cat! You need some help! And I've got just the thing that'll help me help you! Your credit card? But what are we gonna do with that? You'll see. Just let me work my magic. Yes! It worked! Hi! Oh my goodness, I have customers. Sorry about that. Okay, now I'm ready to speak with the spirits for you. Great! Luna here needs a reading because she likes a boy. Show her that picture you're always carrying around in secret.
Oh.
Ah, yes, young love. Well, go on. Pass that picture to me. Come on now, hand it over. I'll need it for the reading. Ah, yes, I see. Well, he is very cute, I suppose. Now let me get to work and consult the cards. The spirits will help me divine the future for you. What possibilities could be in store? Isn't this exciting? She's one of the best! Alright, let's see what these cards have to say. That's interesting. Last card. Oh my! Well, this is a lucky book for you! This card is all about romance and your love life! Oh my gosh! Can you believe that? You have to talk to him! Hey! He's right over there! Come on, be brave! Okay, fine, you're right. Here I go!
Hey.
Oh, hi. I really love your sweater.
That's wild because I was just thinking how I like your sweater too.
What did I say? Oh my gosh! Everything's fine in here. Don't worry. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. I win!
Are you kidding me?
Fine, go hide. I'm counting. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, gotta find somewhere she'll never look. Let's see. Oh, I know. I'll just duck down behind the couch. 8, 9, 10. Let's see. Where could she be hiding? Oh. Aw, come on! You didn't even look! Well, you didn't hide very well. I turned around and there you were. Okay, well, eeny, meeny, miny, mo. I get to hide again! Of course you do. Maybe try to do a better job this time. 9, 10. Okay, here I come again. And maybe I'll just check in here. Yep, just like I suspected. What? How did you find me so quickly? Found you. Again. I'm starting to think you're not good at this. Ugh, she finds me every time. There's gotta be somewhere I can hide. Well maybe there's something outside I can use to help. Let's see, is there anything good? Some cardboard, the garbage bin, mailbox. I think I just got a great idea! 9, 10! Alright, I'm gonna find you again! I thought for sure she'd be in here one more time. I love these chips! They're extra salty. Wait, is that her? No, must have been nothing. Not behind the curtain either. She's getting clever. Woo! I've been trying to beat this level forever! Where could she be? This has gotten tricky. Ugh, where is she? I've looked everywhere. Unless she's outside? Huh, wait a second. What's over here? Well, I don't see her out here either. She's really stumped me. How long has it been? Wait, I don't have a watch. I can't believe she finally outdid me in hide and seek. Luna, where are you?
Haha! Gotcha!
You should see the look on your face! I win! But come on! Oh my gosh! You only beat me by building that thing. You'd never have won otherwise. Which of these secret rooms do you want to spend time in? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel's page for more great videos like this one.